You're all I want, the only thing I wish for, the only thing that I dream of, the only thing I wait by the door for. When I get my Amazon package, I am so excited. It's something I ordered 2 days prior, but I cannot write this. I can just sit and think, oh my god, I just cannot wait for it to come. Finally, I got my new socks in the mail. I've been wearing ripped socks now. I got my new socks in the mail. I don't gotta wear ripped socks now. I got some socks in the mail. I don't gotta wear ripped socks now and be embarrassed if I take my shoes off. In the mail. I don't gotta wear ripped socks now. I got some. Finally, I can go bowling without embarrassment. That's really the only scenario. Finally, I can go mini golfing, but I leave my shoes on for this. But yo, if I go inside and I just start the bowling, if I start doing all my bowling, I am gonna be looking at a bunch of people rolling their eyes at me. And what the hell is going on with my feet? How come he got so many holes on his feet? What the hell? Does he ever hear of a manicure? I'm never gonna have to hear that joke no more. I'm never gonna have to hear it no more, but never know. Socks in the mail. I got my socks. I don't gotta wear ripped socks now. I got my socks in the mail. Socks in the mail. Thank God for Amazon. I don't gotta wear ripped socks now. Thank God for Amazon. Socks in the mail. Thank God for Amazon. I don't gotta wear ripped socks now. I got some socks in the mail. I don't gotta wear ripped socks now. Thank God for Amazon Prime. I got some socks in the mail. I don't gotta wear ripped socks now. I got some socks in the mail.
Prime 2-day delivery.
I don't gotta wear ripped socks now.
That's just delivered me from embarrassment.
Socks in the mail. I don't gotta wear ripped socks now. I can finally go outside. I got my socks in the mail. I can get my mail with my ripped socks now.
Thank you.